This chapter is actually scoring. Formula बहुत ज़्यादा आएगा because two chapters का combination, but not very difficult if you understand the concept. So write heading in your book electrostatics. Today I am trying to do maximum synopsis related force and electric field, and next lecture will solve MCQ based on this theory. So write losing electrons means positively charged. And gaining electron means negatively charged. Like charges always repel each other, unlike charges attract each other. Any of you know law of conservation of charge? Charges can neither be created or destroyed. It can be transferred from one body to another. It can be transferred from one body to another. Total charge of isolated system always remains constant. Total charge of isolated system always remains constant. Written?
Sir, 1 minute.
Right. Once you complete it. One of the important chapter, because now electrostatics I have started, that means electromagnetism part I will complete for your full.
Done, sir.
Done? Ananya, done?
Yes, sir.
अनन्या बेटा पेपर भेजा क्या आपने लॉ ऑफ मोशन वाला?
Yes, sir. I've sent it on your. I've sent it on your chat
Email?
on the personal chat.
अच्छा अच्छा.
No. I've sent it on WhatsApp.
On the WhatsApp you have said, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अच्छा अच्छा. Sixth point. This is one spherical body whose radius is r1. Another spherical body of radius r2. If this is having charge q1, this is having charge q2, they are connected by wire, means conducting material. After connection, I want charges on each. After connection, charges on each. Yes, do you know the formula of charges on each after connection?
Sir, I don't remember.
Okay, no problem. See, whatever you have in your mind, tell honestly. Jennifer, do you know?
No, sir.
No problem. Ashlesha?
No, sir.
चलो आइडेंटिकल का बताओ. सेम रेडियस है, सेम रेडियस. इस पे चार्ज 10, इस पे 20. इसको टच करके सेपरेट किया तो क्या होएगा चार्ज ऑन ईच? 10 plus 20 is 30. Very good. 15, 15. But because they are unequal, now it won't be 15, 15. So for that we have to remember what is the magnitude. So Q1 dash is equals to R1 upon R1 plus R2 into Q total. This is formula for charge on first one after connection. And Q2 dash will be R2 upon R1 plus R2 of Q total. That means what we did, first ka charge 10, 20, 30, that is Q total. Now suppose this is of radius R, this is of radius 2R. So total is 3R. Out of 3R, first one is R into 30. Out of 3R, second is 2R into 30. You got it? Shortcut. टोटल में से
Yes, sir.
तो ऐसा ही अगर याद हो गया तो ऐसा ऐसा कर देना शॉर्टकट, नहीं तो फॉर्मूला वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है। कैपेसिटर में भी आ सकता है, फोर्स के लिए भी आ सकता है, ओनली चार्ज के लिए भी पूछ सकते हैं। सो जस्ट कॉपी दिस फॉर्मूला। Again, if you complete, please tell me.
Sir, done.
Yeah, okay. What is Coulomb's law of electrostatics? Tasma and Aniket, after the lecture, just wait, because I have to discuss something.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Okay,
Coulomb's,
sir.
yeah, no problem. Coulomb's law of electrostatics. See, we said like charges attract, unlike charges repel. One concept I didn't explain to you. Let me check whether you know. This is body, positively charged. This is uncharged. What will happen? Attraction, repulsion, nothing. This is positive, and this is uncharged. Conductor.
So the negative charge of the uncharged conductor will move to the side of positive sphere.
That means indirectly you are saying that they will always attract, na? Because if this is positive, your negative will be developed due to induction, so there will be attraction. Same way, if it is negatively
Yes.
charged and here there is something, again there will be positive developed, there will be attraction. So remember, if there is charged conductor and another uncharged conductor, then always there is attraction. Don't say nothing will happen. Now Coulomb's law of electrostatics, but that will be temporary. Moment to remove that charged body, it will lose the charge. Coulomb's law of electrostatics. Force of attraction or repulsion between 2 point charges is directly proportional to product of magnitude of charges and inversely proportional to square of distance between them. So directly proportional to the product of magnitude of charge, inversely proportional to square of distance. So we can write some constant k, q1 q2 upon r square. If charges are in air, then k is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, where epsilon naught equals to 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 12 Coulomb square upon Newton meter square is called as permittivity of free space, and 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, that means k is equals to 9 into 10 raised to 9. Please copy it. Yes. Hello. कहाँ पे? हाँ नीचे था, चलेगा, बोलो ना, बोल दो। हाँ 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 है, हाँ वो एक्चुअली SIP चल रहा है मेरा। नहीं है, लेकिन मैं वो सब शेयर्स नहीं करते ना, नहीं करते। हाँ हाँ अच्छा, नहीं है, नहीं नहीं है, वो निकाल के मैं करता हूँ, है फ्रैंकलिन का है। अच्छा होता है वैसा? अच्छा अच्छा, करता हूँ। हाँ अच्छा, है स्टेटमेंट है, 1 के ऊपर है। नहीं यार, बहुत पहले जाता है। अच्छा हाँ हाँ बस क्या है। नहीं है, सबका रहेगा, लेकिन वो ट्रांसफर कर। अच्छा नहीं, मेरा मैं कर देता हूँ, बाकी लोग का नहीं बता पाऊंगा। चलेगा चलेगा, मैं दे दूंगा, दे दूंगा। यस यस यस, आज शाम को मैं रेडी करता हूँ, कल वो करेंगे तो मैं दे दूंगा। हाँ नहीं, मैं क्या करूंगा, वो निकाल के ना, वो उसका पूरा फोलियो नंबर है, वो आपको व्हाट्सअप कर देता हूँ ना। हाँ ठीक है ठीक है ठीक, चले चले। हाँ नहीं नहीं नहीं, हाँ कितना? ऐसे तो 7 तक कर। अच्छा मैं 3:30 करे बात, अपन चलेगा? ठीक है ठीक है। हेलो।
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so see, concept is like this: product of magnitude of charges. Now these charges are point charges, this also you should remember. This is not for linear charge, it is point charge. K is called as proportionality constant. Here K is not dielectric constant, and K value is 9 into 10 raised to 9 Newton meter square per coulomb square. Epsilon naught is 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 12. Now based on this, I am giving you synopsis for 3 charges at the vertices of equilateral triangle, when the force will be maximum. But before that, we'll see vector form of this force acting. This can I clear?
Yes, sir.
देखो थियरी थोड़ा अच्छे से करेंगे ना, so then only formula part you have to remember, and then we can apply directly on the numerical. Now in vector form, because sometimes they can only ask which is the correct representation of force in vector form acting between two charges. If we consider positive charge q1 and another positive charge q2 separated by distance r, then force acting on first due to second will be outward like this, and force acting on second due to first will be again outward towards the right. So force on first due to second in magnitude, it is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q1 q2 upon distance square. If I convert this into vector, this will become 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q1 q2 upon r square into unit vector from 2 to 1, because direction is from 2 to 1, unit vector from 2 to 1. So F12 bar is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 upon r square. This is r2 vector upon its magnitude. Now r, whether I take 2, 2, 1 or I take 1 to 2, it will remain r only in magnitude. So f12 bar will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q1 q2 r21 upon r cube. Similarly, force acting on second with first one is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q1 q2 r1 to 2 upon r cube. Now clearly we can say 2 to 1 and 1 to 2 are oppositely directed. They are minus of each other, opposite vector. So f12 bar is minus of f21 bar. So for 12th standard student, they can sometimes ask, show that f12 bar is minus f21 bar. In entrance, they will ask which one is correct representation of forces between 2 point charges having same nature. So f12 bar is minus f21 bar. Please write down this much.
Done, sir.
Okay. Others have also done?
Sir, 1 minute.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay.
Sir, I was
Right.
writing the last line.
So what you have written?
The last one, the last part is left. Right side.
Okay. F12 bar equals to minus f21.
Okay, I'll write it. I got it.
In fact, I'm recording the lecture also. I will send the recorded part.
Okay.
Now, what is dielectric constant, or also called as relative permittivity? Dielectric constant or relative permittivity. See, whenever word relative comes, it is ratio. So the ratio of permittivity of medium, permittivity of any medium to the permittivity of free space is called as dielectric constant. It is also called as relative permittivity, given by K or epsilon R is epsilon upon epsilon naught. K means here dielectric constant, or it is called relative permittivity, epsilon R, epsilon upon epsilon naught. Please write down. For insulators, K is greater than 1. For air, K equal to 1. For metal, K equals to infinity.
Done, sir.
Everybody has done?
Yes, sir.
Force acting between two charges situated in medium is always given by force between two charges in air upon K. See, because in medium, force is 1 upon 4 pi K epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. In air, it is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. When you divide this, then 1 upon this will get cancelled. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon cancel. Fm upon Fa is 1 by K. So force between two charges in medium is Fa upon K. Write this point also. Force between two charges in medium is Fa upon K. Next point. Very, very important. Even in gravitation, we can have this. When charge capital Q is split into two charges, Q1 equals to Q and Q2 equals to Q minus Q, then for maximum force, Q1 is same as Q2 is half of total charge. Just write down, then I'm explaining how it comes. So whenever they say charge of 6 coulomb is to be split into two charges for maximum force, then Q1, Q2 will be 3, 3. If only given Q, then Q by 2, Q by 2.
Done, sir.
Now let us check how it is Q by 2. Same way I told in gravitation, it will be masses m1, m2 will be total mass upon 2. See how we get Q by 2. If Q1 is Q, small q, and Q2 is total charge minus small q. So force between them is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Q1 is Q, Q2 is Q minus Q upon R square. So this will become 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught QQ minus Q square upon R square. So derivative of force with respect to charge 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square is constant. Derivative of this QQ with respect to Q. Capital Q is constant. What is derivative of 4x? With respect to x, derivative of 4x?
4.
4, very good. 4. 3x,
3.
has to be
3.
3. 10x,
10.
10. So you're telling me constant value. Your capital Q is constant. This is variable. So this is like 4x, 5x, 10x. So can I write Q?
Yes, sir.
Minus Q square ka derivative 2Q. Correct na? X square ka derivative
Yes,
2x.
sir.
Now for maximum or minimum, df dq with respect to dq should be 0. So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught r square q minus 2q should be 0. So if I multiply this with the 0, it will become 0. So q minus 2q is 0. Therefore q equals to 2q. So small q is q by 2. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So that's why we wrote q1 is same as q2, which is q by 2. Now tell me. If 3 charges are situated at vertices of equilateral triangle, equal charges are situated at vertices of equilateral triangle, what will be net force at centroid? Net force at centroid?
0.
0. Because this will be force of repulsion. If I consider unit positive charge, this will be force F1. This is another force, suppose F2. Result of two equal forces with angle 120 between them. See, this is bisector, correct? So this is 30. This is 30. What will be this angle? 120.
Yes, sir.
So a vertically opposite angle 130. So from vector I know when two forces are equal and angle between them is 120, result is same as given vector. मतलब ये point है centroid O. This is F1 equal to F, and this is F2 also F. Angle between them is 120. Result will be same as F1 F2, that is F acting at bisector. और ये ऊपर वाले का repulsive force is here. So ये मिलके cancel हो जाएगा. So net force at centroid equals to 0. Any doubt? Aniket?
No, sir.
No. Aniket, Tasmay, any doubt?
Sir, can you explain this once again?
See, you remember vector ka relations first. When two vector are in same direction, what is result? Add. है ना? This chapter will
Yes.
involve vector. If they are in opposite direction, what we do? Subtract. If they are perpendicular, what we use? Pythagoras theorem. If any angle, then parallelogram law of vector addition. This much everybody has followed, because this will come now frequently, vector wala part.
Yes.
Everybody has followed this much, 4 point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, three special cases. Two vectors are equal and inclined by 120 degree. Then result is same as given vector. Means this is one vector of magnitude F. This is another vector of magnitude F. Angle between them is 120. Result will be F acting at the bisector. Okay. How we got? By parallelogram law only. Two vectors are equal, so f square plus 2ff. Cos 120 is minus half. I can cancel ff, 2. So 2f square minus 1f square will be root of f square. Can I say it is f? Done? Yeah, understood now? Two vectors are
Yes, sir.
equal and inclined by 120. Result is same. Now, if two vectors are equal in magnitude and inclined by 60 degree, now result will be root 3 times f. Angle is suppose 60. What is cos 60? Half, na? So 2
Yes.
I can cancel. This will become 3f square, which is root 3f. ये सब direct अभी याद होना चाहिए. Root 3f. Clear? This also clear?
Yes, sir.
Now two vectors are equal and perpendicular. What is result? Root 2 times given vector. So in this chapter also we will require for addition of resultant forces vector addition ka concept. Once again let me see. When two vectors are in same direction, what is result, Aniket?
So we'll add them.
Add. आप ही बोलो फटाफट, आपको ही पूछ रहा हूँ. Opposite then?
Subtract.
Perpendicular then?
Pythagoras
Pythagoras
theorem.
theorem. Any angle?
Root of
Take
f1 square
parallelogram.
plus f.
That means take parallelogram law.
Yes, sir.
Equivalent 120 same as given vector. Equivalent 60 root 3 times
Root
given
3f.
vector. And equivalent 90
Root 2f.
So now just check this one. I said three charges are situated at vertices of equilateral triangle. What is net force at centroid? So this is suppose centroid O. Here I assume point unit charge. This is first charge, second charge, third charge. So due to charge here situated at B, force will be repulsive outward. All the charge ka product and distance is same. So if it is F1, can I say F? इसका वाला ये भी इधर F2 equal to F. How much is this angle? Yes, what is this angle? 30. ये वाला एंगल
30.
30. ये
120.
तो ये ऊपर वाला एंगल कितना होएगा? ये 120
120.
120 vertically opposite. So two vector of same magnitude are inclined by 120 degree. Can I say this will be their result? Same as F? Not followed. Hello?
Followed, sir.
अब ये A वाले का force F3 equal to F is in opposite direction. So now tell me what is resultant at centroid.
0.
Yeah, resultant at centroid equal to 0. Please copy this much.
Sir,
Done?
yes.
Okay. Any doubt? Yes, Aryan, any
No,
doubt?
sir.
No, sir.
Okay. No. What do you mean by equilibrium? अगर बोला at equilibrium.
Net force is 0.
This we have done even in law of motion. At equilibrium, net force equal to 0. So if they say find the magnitude of charge if the system is in equilibrium, so you have to check at equilibrium net force is 0 होगा क्या नहीं. अगर हो गया नेट फोर्स 0 हो गया तो इक्विलिब्रियम बोलते हैं. सिस्टम बोला अगर इक्विलिब्रियम है तो हर जगह पे चेक करना. फर्स्ट यू चेक डायरेक्शन. इफ डायरेक्शन इज सेम कैन आई गेट इक्विलिब्रियम? No. If
No.
direction is opposite, can I get?
Yes.
Yes. When I will get? When magnitude wise.
Magnitude constant.
Yes. So write next point. At equilibrium, net force is 0. At equilibrium, net force is 0. I'm just sending this one PDF based on force. We'll solve few sums so that we get basic idea. I'm just sending the PDF. From that, we'll do force related sum so that we get basic idea of equilibrium and how to get missing charges if we require. One second. Huh? Yes. Did you get this? Come to page number 37. Page number 37.
Yes, sir.
Page number 37. First sum. Two identical metal spheres are carrying charge of 9 into 10 raised to minus 9 coulomb and minus 3 into 10 raised to minus 9 coulomb are brought in contact. Two charges 9 and minus 3 are brought in contact, then they are separated by distance of 3 meter and kept in the medium of dielectric constant 5. What is electrostatic force between them? Is it possible for you to solve this sum? They are brought in.
I didn't get the PDF.
I have sent to you, Aniket. Aniket, na?
Yeah, sir, I will forward.
You didn't get?
Actually, you have sent on my mom's number, I think. I'll check with her.
1 minute. What I'm doing, I'm including you in this group.
Okay, sir.
Then you will be able to see. 1 minute. Tanay also I'm including. Wait. एक second. Now can everybody see?
Yes, sir.
Come to page number 35. Page number 35.
So 37.
37 है? हाँ 37. सबके पास, सबको दिख रहा है ना ये क्वेश्चन?
हाँ सर.
तस्मै, you are able to see?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Two identical metal sphere carrying charges 9 into 10 raised to minus 9 and minus 3 into 10 raised to minus 9 are brought in contact and then separated. If brought in contact and separated, then charge on first will be same as second, which will be total charge kaha apna?
Yes, sir.
So 9 minus 3 will become 6 into 10 raised to minus 9 upon 2. So charge on each will become 3 into 10 raised to minus 9. This much you followed?
Yes, sir.
Now tell, F will be 1 upon 4 pi k
Sir,
epsilon
maximum.
Pardon?
सर वो मैक्सिमम या मिनिमम फोर्स फाइंड करने नहीं बोला है ना, तो वो क्यू P/2 क्यों लिया सर?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, मैक्सिमम मिनिमम बोलते हैं तो एक ही चार्ज का दो टुकड़ा होता है ना. ये तो दो अलग अलग चार्ज को आपने एक साथ लाके फिर से
ओके,
सेपरेट किया ना.
हाँ ठीक है
So
सर.
when you brought in contact, they get added.
हाँ ठीक है सर.
So 1 upon 4 pi k epsilon naught q1 dash q2 dash upon r square. See, I have not taken half of 9 or half of this. We have taken total, then equally gets divided when you separate. So 9 into 10 raised to 9 is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught upon k is 5. 3 into 10 raised to minus 9. 3 into 10 raised to minus 9 upon r square, which is 3 square. Now 3 square means 9. 1 9 I can cancel. 10 raised to minus 9 plus 9 I can cancel. 3 into 3 is 9 into 10 raised to minus 9 upon 5. That will become 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 9 Newton. Do we have this option? 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 9? Yes. B is the correct option. Have you understood now?
Yes, sir.
Acha, if they ask what is nature of the force, what you will say? Nature of force, attraction या repulsion?
Repulsion sir.
Repulsion.
See, whenever two bodies are brought in contact and separated, always it will repel because charges will get equally divided. So अगर resultant is positive तो दोनों पे plus plus, resultant is negative तो दोनों पे minus minus, ऐसा होगा. स्टार्ट में कुछ भी था, स्टार्ट में प्लस माइनस था तो अट्रैक्शन था, लेकिन जब टच करके सेपरेट करेंगे ऑलवेज रिपल्शन. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
सॉल्व. ये चैप्टर कंसेप्चुअल है, ध्यान से सुनो. कुछ मिस्टेक लगता है आपको और एनी अदर एक्स्ट्रा थिंग्स प्लीज कीप ऑन आस्किंग.
Done, sir.
Next, second. One point five into 10 raised to 19 electrons are removed from copper plate. What is charge on the copper plate? Charge on copper plate Q is Ne. N equal to, what is N?
Number of electrons.
Number of electron. Is it integer or decimal? N is
Integer.
always integer.
Integer.
Yeah, because 1 electron, 2 electron, 1000 electron, this way electrons are lost. We can't have 10.5 electron. So sometimes it is also called as charges are quantized. Quantized means charge will be always integral multiple of loss of electron. So total charge is how much if 1.5 into 10 raised to 19 electrons are removed. Are removed means it will be positive because losing is positive. 1 electron ka charge is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. So 19 and minus 19 cancel. 16
2.
5 8 2.4 coulomb. This is the answer. Plus 2.4 coulomb, B option. See, this 1.5 into 10 raised to 19 number is not decimal because when you multiply with 10 raised to 19, तो ये 15 और आगे 18 0 आएगा ना ऐसा. So it is integer, correct? Otherwise आपके मन में लगेगा ये तो 1.5 decimal है, but when you multiply with 10 का factor, decimal vanishes, no?
Yes, sir.
Third one. Done? Second done?
Yes, sir.
Third. Two charged spheres separated by distance d exert some force on each other when they are kept in air. What is the force exerted when it is immersed in a liquid of dielectric constant 5? So in air, it was experiencing some force. When immersed in dielectric constant 5, then it will be Fa upon K. Can I say F upon K, which is 5?
Yes, sir.
Oh, sorry. Next, 2-point charges Q1, Q2 repel each other by force of 100 Newton. Charge Q1, Q2 repel each other by 100 Newton. Then Q1 is increased by 10%. So I'm writing Q1 dash 110 upon 100 of Q1. And Q2 dash is 90 upon 100 of Q1. What is the change in the force of repulsion between them if they are kept at same distance? Change in force you want. So first force F1 is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 upon R square. Second force F2 is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q1 dash Q2 dash upon R square. F1 upon F2 is equals to, now 1 upon 4 pi, everything will get cancelled. We get Q1 Q2 upon Q1 dash Q2 dash. Upon Q1 dash Q2 dash. F1 is 100, F2 we want, Q1, Q2 we don't know, but Q1 dash is 110 upon 100. Increased by 10% means 100 plus 10. Decreased means 100 minus. So Q1, Q2, Q1, Q2 you can cancel. 1, 2 zeros you can cancel. So 100 upon F2, 100 will go up upon 99, 100 cancel. F2 is 99 Newton. Therefore, decrease will be F2, F1 minus F2, that is 100 minus 99, 1 Newton decrease. You all followed this, Sam?
Yes, sir.
1 Newton decrease.
Done, sir.
Now, fifth one, I want orally from you because already I have explained the concept of maximum and minimum.
So Q by 2.
Q by 2.
Correct. D option, Q by 2. Sixth one, a point charge Q is placed at center of line joining two equal point charges. Capital Q is placed at center of two equal point charges, plus Q and plus Q. What is value of Q if system of charge is in equilibrium? What is value of Q if system of charge is in equilibrium? See, equilibrium means net force 0, correct?
Yes, sir.
So system means where it is 0, at first charge or at second charge or at third or everywhere.
Everywhere.
Everywhere it should come 0. Now I'm checking at first one. See, I can't change plus Q. I cannot change plus Q. This I can change because I have to find. So I'm just checking at first whether forces are opposite or not. So force acting on first due to second will be this way, repulsive if it is positive. Then this positive, F13 is also in same direction. Matlab F resultant can never be 0, na? Therefore capital Q must be negative, because if it becomes negative, this Q, if it is negative, then force acting on Q, which is first charge, will be F12 attraction and F13 repulsion. Now if F13 and F12 become same, net force will become 0, system will be equilibrium. Concept till this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q into Q3 is Q. Distance is suppose ये R लिया, ये R, तो total 2R. 1, 2 is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. 1 is Q and 2 is capital Q in magnitude upon distance is R square. So this will be 2R square, R square. I can cancel 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. I can cancel small q from both sides. So finally I get q upon 4r square is q upon r square. Therefore, q will be q by 4. Hello?
Yes, sir.
But पहले क्या था? Negative. अभी magnitude क्या आया? q by 4. So final answer, it is minus q by 4. Any doubt in understanding?
No.
No, sir.
Yeah, then solve. If you have doubt, please ask. I will explain again. If not, yes, continue. First, I check what should be nature. So I got nature should be negative because with positive it is repelling, adding.
Sir, done.
Okay. Seventh one, see. Everybody is done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Seventh one. Dimensional equation for the volume charge density. See, volume charge density means charge upon volume. Charge is IT upon volume. Now, I means A1, time means T1, volume means L3. So, dimension will become M0, L minus 3, T1, A1. Okay. M0, L3, minus 3, T1, A1, B.
Done, sir.
So, today we stop here. In the next class, Friday. अच्छा फ्राइडे नहीं चाहिए ना आपको? हेलो?
Yes, sir. वो केमिस्ट्री लेक्चर सर.
अच्छा ट्यूसडे फ्राइडे नहीं चाहिए तो चलो नेक्स्ट वीक से ना मैं थोड़ा लेक्चर ट्यूसडे फ्राइडे का कंपेंसेट करने के लिए रखूंगा ज्यादा. नाउ नेक्स्ट टुडे इज थर्सडे करेक्ट? फ्राइडे सैटरडे अगेन अवर लेक्चर सेम टाइम, थोड़ा ड्यूरेशन हाफ एन आवर ज्यादा. सो 12:30 to 2 चलेगा ना?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes. So please revise and then come in the next class lecture. आगे का इससे मैंने सॉल्व नहीं किया because it is potential. I have not yet explained you potential and